Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this platinum white 1 litre Civic SR. Now of course, as standard on this SR, you do get LED daytime running lights, you get front fog lights, and you do also get projector housing headlights. You also get these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels as standard as well, all of which have been freshly refurbished as part of its preparation process. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on these alloys. But walking around to the rear, you will notice that it is the 2017 year model. So you get 4 rear parking sensors, you get a reversing camera just up at the top there. Jumping in the boot area, as you can see, you have got plenty of room in here as well. You've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and the seats do fold flat with this level just here. You've also got a 12-volt power outlet just under there, and a brilliant little tonneau cover just here, which does retract back into one, and it does provide a bit more extra space when in the tailgate. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, you have the full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. You've then got full electric automatic windows all round as well. Jumping in the front of the car now, as you can see, we have got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've then got your economy and your stop start on or off. As you can see in the middle, we've got your 6-speed manual gearbox with your dual climate control, and then your 7-inch display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth hands-free, and of course your various audio sources just here. And of course the climate control can be operated via the touchscreen display as well. Moving over to the steering wheel now, as you can see, we've got your audio controls on the left, we've got your volume, onboard computer controls, voice assistant, and Bluetooth hands-free. These arrows here work between your onboard computer and your infotainment system. Over on the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist, and distance control. And then we do also have your automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 46,583 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Civic, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.